Rebuild your finances. How a bankruptcy lawyer can help you. Part 4. Importance of hiring the right lawyer. Don't let debt collectors and creditors use you. A bankruptcy attorney can assist in guiding you through the procedure and offer helpful guidance on your alternatives. Every year, millions of Americans battle crippling debt, but there is a way out. Hire a bankruptcy attorney. We talk about how crucial it is to work with a lawyer during the bankruptcy process. Did you know? 2 little-known facts. Fact 1. Bankruptcy processes may be difficult and drawn out. A lawyer can assist you in navigating the court system and ensuring that your rights are always upheld. Fact 2. Having a bankruptcy attorney on your side might improve your chances of winning your case and lessen the impact it will have on your future finances. When you are considering filing for bankruptcy, a lawyer can offer you helpful counsel and advocacy. Additionally, they may assist safeguard your property and legal rights, improve your chances of winning, and guarantee that your case is handled properly and swiftly. You can have peace of mind and a fresh financial start by hiring a bankruptcy attorney. In our previous video, we addressed the common misconceptions surrounding bankruptcy. In this video, we examine the value of working with a competent bankruptcy attorney, as well as the training, experience, and hiring advice you should look for in a qualified attorney. Comment on what you think about this. And be sure to click on our like and subscribe buttons. Let's begin by outlining the various credentials and experience a bankruptcy attorney should have. What education and experience should a bankruptcy attorney have? To make sure a bankruptcy attorney you hire is equipped to handle your case, you need carefully assess their training and experience before selecting them. Regarding the education and experience that a bankruptcy attorney should possess, keep an eye out for the following 8 things. Item 1. Legal education. A bankruptcy attorney must be licensed to practice law in the state where you are declaring bankruptcy and possess a law degree from an authorized law school. Item 2. Board certification. Some jurisdictions provide certification programs for bankruptcy attorneys, which may be a sign that the attorney has a depth of understanding and expertise in bankruptcy law. Item 3. Experience. A bankruptcy attorney needs to have dealt with situations like to yours before and should have a good track record of defending clients in bankruptcy court. Item 4. Knowledge of the bankruptcy code. The bankruptcy code, as well as the laws and rules that are relevant to your case, should be thoroughly understood by a bankruptcy attorney. Item 5. Knowledge of the neighborhood court. A bankruptcy attorney has to be knowledgeable with the bankruptcy laws in your area as well as the local court where you will file for bankruptcy. Item 6. Professionalism. A bankruptcy attorney should be competent, dependable, and able to communicate with you in a way that you can understand. Item 7. Membership in professional organizations. Membership in a professional organization, such as the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys or the American Bankruptcy Institute, can show that a lawyer is dedicated to remaining up to date on the most recent changes to bankruptcy law. Item 8. Good reputation. You may be certain that you'll get the greatest counsel possible if you choose a lawyer with a solid reputation in the legal community. You can raise your chances of success by considering these credentials and expertise when selecting a bankruptcy attorney. Let's move on to the advantages of employing a seasoned attorney. 8 advantages of working with an expert attorney. When declaring bankruptcy, there are various advantages to hiring a skilled attorney. Among these advantages are: Advantage 1. Complete and accurate documentation. A knowledgeable attorney will have the skills and understanding to guarantee that all required documentation is completed completely and precisely, and that it is submitted on time. Advantage 2. Understanding the legal system. An expert attorney will be acquainted with the relevant local laws and court processes as well as the jurisdiction where you will be filing for bankruptcy. On your behalf, they will be able to negotiate the legal system and make sure that your rights are upheld. Advantage 3. Making the most of the bankruptcy process and your options for debt relief. An expert attorney will have the knowledge and experience to assist you in making the most of the bankruptcy procedure and your options for debt relief. Advantage 4. Representation in court. A skilled attorney will be able to speak on your behalf and fight for your interests. They can guarantee that your case is handled properly by responding to any inquiries the trustee or creditors may have about it. Advantage 5. Asset protection. A knowledgeable attorney can provide you guidance on the exemptions that can be used to safeguard certain assets, such as a principal house or personal property, during the bankruptcy procedure. Advantage 6. Negotiating with creditors. A knowledgeable and skilled attorney will be able to speak with your creditors on your behalf and work towards a settlement or payment schedule that is in your best interests. Advantage 7. Long-term effects. An expert attorney can provide you advice on the long-term effects of bankruptcy, including how they will affect your credit score and if you could have future financial issues. Advantage 8. Appeals and motions. An experienced attorney will be able to provide you advice on the motions and appeals that can be made if your bankruptcy case is refused a discharge, your exemptions are disallowed, or any other difficulty arises. In general, retaining an expert attorney may offer several advantages when declaring bankruptcy, such as precise and thorough documentation, court representation, and maximum debt relief, among others. Comment on what you think about this. We're halfway through our video. Do click on our like and subscribe buttons for more good information. Let's now discuss advice for finding and hiring a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney. 8 tips for finding and hiring a reputable bankruptcy attorney. It might be difficult to discover and retain a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney, but there are several suggestions that can help you do so. Tip 1. Research. Investigate several bankruptcy attorneys in your neighborhood by looking at their websites, reading reviews, and asking friends and family who have filed for bankruptcy. Tip 2. Consultations. Make an appointment with multiple attorneys to discuss their credentials, expertise, and communication style. Tip 3. Verify credentials. Verify the lawyer's qualifications, including their training, experience, and any certificates they might have. Tip 4. Confirm membership in professional organizations. Look for membership in professional organizations that include the American Bankruptcy Institute or the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys, which can reflect the lawyer's commitment to staying updated on the latest bankruptcy law developments. Tip 5. Request references. To learn more about the track record and reputation of the attorney, ask for references from previous clients and check up on them. Tip 6. Examine the attorney's website, social media presence, and online testimonials. This might help you get a feel of the lawyer's reputation, expertise, and credentials. Tip 7. Think about the cost. Before choosing a lawyer, consider the charge for their services and make sure you comprehend the pricing schedule. Tip 8. Comfortable communication. Pick a lawyer with whom you can communicate and who is prepared to spend the time necessary to address your concerns and outline the procedure. You may improve your chances of locating and selecting a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney who can provide you the direction and assistance you require during the bankruptcy procedure by paying attention to these pointers. Do you know of someone who can benefit from this? Tell us in the comment section. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are 8 advantages to engaging a bankruptcy attorney, including 1. Complete and accurate documents. 2. Navigating the justice system. 3. Maximize debt reduction. 4. Court representation. 5. Protection of assets. 6. Long-term effects. 7. Negotiating with creditors, and 8. Motions and appeals. When looking for a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney, it's crucial to do your homework, set up consultations, verify their credentials, get references, think about the charge, and ensure that you can communicate openly with them. A bankruptcy attorney can assist you in navigating the legal procedure and guarantee that your documentation is correctly and promptly filled out. They can help you bargain with creditors and educate you on the exclusions that are available to preserve certain assets. A bankruptcy attorney will assist you in making the most of the bankruptcy procedure as well as represent you in court. An expert attorney will be able to provide you advice on the different steps in the bankruptcy procedure as well as any problems that could come up. The long-term effects of bankruptcy, such as how they may affect your credit score and the likelihood of future financial issues, can also be discussed with an expert attorney. You may get the help and direction you need to navigate the bankruptcy process and make wise decisions about your financial future by hiring a bankruptcy attorney. Finding a lawyer with whom you can communicate easily and who also possesses the training and expertise required to handle your case should take some time. It's crucial to get legal advice from a trustworthy bankruptcy attorney if you're thinking about declaring bankruptcy. You can get the direction and assistance you need to work your way through the legal system from a lawyer. Avoid attempting to navigate the complicated bankruptcy procedure by yourself. A lawyer can assist you optimize your debt relief. Comment on what you'd like us to feature next in our channel. Check out our playlists for more useful information like this. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.